Hello everyone, welcome back. This is our third activity and we are going to do today an abstract cat. So we'll be referring one artist whose name is Romero Brito. Romero Brito, he is an artist. He is from Brazil. Such a lovely country he's from. He is from Brazil and he does amazing artworks. And today we are going to do Romero Brito cat. So we are going to do a cat today. It will be an abstract cat. You understand what this abstract means? I will tell you. Abstract, in which we combine different colors, different shapes, elements, lines, circles, and even doodling comes in abstract. And we do bright colors. We take bright colors. So you are already seeing I have some colors with me. You can use any color. You have total freedom to use any color, any sheet, anything. You can even do on your art files. And he does pop art. So today, abstract art and pop art. We are going to do pop art and abstract art. Okay, sorry. So let's begin with the drawing. Don't forget the name, Romero Brito. He is an artist from Brazil and we are going to refer his artwork, Romero Brito cat. So here I am keeping my paper horizontally, landscape mode as you all say, and I will start with my drawing. You will be drawing with pencil. Okay, I'll just start with my cat now. So here I'll use the sketch pen. First of all, what you're going to do is, we will start from the left side of your paper, from the left side around somewhere here. Okay, we will draw two triangles, two cones for the ears of the cat. Small triangle, we will not cover the lower part. Make a sleeping line like this. You can just extend the line a little bit. We are making the head, and again one more shape like this. Now what we will do, we will extend these both diagonally. Okay, we will extend. So these are two ears. We have two ears of the cat. I will extend this part till here. Okay, and this part somewhere here. Not much, not less. Okay, this should be same. Just see if these both are same. Now what I'll do, I'll just mark one point in the center somewhere here. I'll just mark one point and I'll just join these both points with this point. So I've joined this point and I'll join this point. So I've got a face here, big face of the cat. Now I'll make U shape. Okay, I'll just make a U shape like this. Okay, again make another U, a bigger one till here, somewhere here the point. Now I'll start making another one and I'll touch this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make I'll just mark a point here, in the second U shape. I'll just mark a point somewhere here and I'll make a sleeping line, extended sleeping line. Okay, you can use a scale or you can just make a freehand line. Extend this sleeping line till here, till almost the end of your paper. And now what I'll do, I'll make a semicircle which will be the body of the cat. Okay, now I'll start from my first ear, somewhere here near the head, and I'll be making a circle touching this part. I'll just make a circle, touch this. Now here I have got a cat which is resting. Okay, in a resting position I've got a cat. Now let's make the eyes. So one eye here, one eye here. What I'll do, again I'll make U shape. You can just rotate your sheet, or you can just rotate yourself and make a U like this. One this side, another one this side. Okay, and now we are going to make the eyeballs. So suppose my cat is looking this way, where my finger is. So what I'll do, I'll just mark a semicircle, a curve on the left side of this eye, and the left side again of this eye, the right side of this eye. Okay, so I'll just mark a circle here and another one here, and the eyeballs this way. You can color the eyeball black and leave some small white dot in between like this, like this. And now the nose, triangle, and then two curves like this. Now we have got the body of the cat, an abstract body of the cat, and now we are going to divide our body. Okay, so we will not touch this, we will not touch the face. We are going to divide the body into various segments. The way we'll be covering those parts also. Okay, so we'll just divide the body. So let's start. I'll start from here, this point, till this point, the end. I'll just mark a curve like this, and I will divide this point with this. So I've got three parts, and again a simple one like this. So now I have various parts of the cat. One here, one here, one here, and two here. 3, 5, 7, and a face. Okay, and now we are going to divide the background. So a cat is the foreground, which is in front, and the background. So we'll just mark randomly the lines. One here, I'll just mark one here, one sleeping line, and one sleeping line here. Okay, so everything should be outlined with black sketch pen. Alright, and now we'll start coloring it. So I'll be coloring the face yellow, this part also some yellow, orange, pink. I'll be adding some bright colors in it. So I'll just show you. So this way you can color your cat. So I've done yellow, oil pastel, grey, pink, red, blue, and I've made some lines of purple color with purple sketch pen in this part, and with green and pink sketch pen in this part. So you can even leave the background if you want, it's totally up to you. And in this one I have done sea green pencil color. So I'll just make some polka dots with brown sketch pen. If you want, you can just leave this part. If you will do it, if it will enhance your artwork more. You can just make some polka dots with brown color or any color. Colors are totally up to you. Whatever color you want to use, you can use like this. And you can even fill this part and this part as well, but you can also leave these background portions. If you just want to do the cat, you can do the cat, or you want to use these patterns in the cat, you can do that as well. So hope to see your artwork soon, and you all are doing amazing work. I'm just loving your artworks. Okay, stay safe, have a good day, and please share your artworks with me. I will be waiting. Bye everyone.